I'm very glad to meet you again. We are going to learn the laws which will help us to live a long time on that earth. Our goal is your health. So we teach you the instruction of the proper functioning of our body. In the first video, we told you your best food. Today, we are going to see the second condition of good health. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. Today we are summarizing what we are talking about, which will help you to be okay in your life. Since the first video, we have given the right method of selecting foods that are indicated for our biological conditions. So today, we save what we need to do so that our body can rest, can repair itself if there is a breakdown, can be maintained life and imagine the best condition for maintaining our body in fasting. The fasting intermittent. There are fasting dry. There are fasting of lack of drink water. The fasting which free, there are several factors of fast. Choose the fasting that you like. All of them are good. Your choice depends on you exclusively and practicing. Do it to be okay. We will watch this video together and we will come back for the conclusions. So, why do we say that fasting is an excellent remedy? To fast, you have to prepare. You will take the example of the Muslims. He gets up early in the morning to eat. You, our member of our community, you can do whatever you want. If you want, you get up early to eat. If you want, don't do it. All of them are good. We advise them to eat. I talk about muscle or those who wake up in the morning to eat. To eat food whose digestion does not excel 3 hours. Let's take a simple example. If you eat at 4 o'clock in the morning, you will have 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and the digestion of your 4 o'clock meal is finished because of the choice of food you ate before. There you have to get out your house to go to your job at 8 o'clock, digestion is complete. So at 8 o'clock, already your stomach is empty. What happens when your stomach is empty? When you are digesting, all your defense system lines your entire line of your digestion tube to assist digestion. So there are beings following you during your digestion. But after digestion in the 3 hours, your stomach begins to rest. There is nothing inside. Your digest tract rest, and your defense system returns to all the organs of your body. Your defense system has other functions. First of all, the defense system will clean your body of enemy microbes, which enter by your mouth, will fight against toxin produced by your cell during digestion. Digest dead cells, and system will treat sick cells, repaired fabrics. The second function of your different system, your system will attract unnecessary fast waste, will attack the grass inside you. Thirdly, repairing damaged cells, nerves, cells brains, cells livers, cells kidneys, and also during the rest of your body, your different system is going to repair you, repair your brain. And first, if you eat fruit and vegetable for breakfast, you will power your body with life. Here is the second condition of longevity. In the first video, you were told to select your food. In this second video, we tell you how fasting for you cell to rest so that your defense system maintain all of your organisms. During your rest, during your fasting, you will repair yourself by your different system, and you will set out of you all toxins which are setting in you permanently, perniciously. Thank you for your time to listen. Let us remember that our object, if it's your health. See you in the first video for the first condition of longevity. See you and thank you very much.